Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The diaspora has not yielded its full potential in avenues of local economic development. Now that's according to Prime Minister Andrew Holness at a recent Diaspora Town Hall Meeting. Now he says Jamaicans overseas should make use of more opportunities to help spur local economic growth. The fallout in tourism due to COVID-19 stifled Jamaica's foreign exchange inflows. However, the contribution of Jamaicans overseas has been key to maintaining foreign currency cash flows crucial to the local economy's functioning.
According to the most recent Bank of Jamaica remittance bulletin for March 2021, net remittance inflows increased by 70% in March 2021 relative to March 2020, and by 36% for the 2021 fiscal year relative to 2020. Remittances from our diaspora have been invaluable in maintaining our balance of payments as well as our net international reserves, which remain buoyant at over $3 billion.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness says there's much more Jamaicans overseas can do. He referenced a 2017 survey carried out by the Caribbean Policy Research Institute, CAPRI.
The unrealized economic potential of the diaspora represents, at a minimum, $1.5 billion annually, US dollars. This potential, if realized, can catalyze the growth and development of Jamaica.
He says fiscal benefits exist for the establishment of businesses in special economic zones. Mr. Holness is also encouraging investment in areas such as cybersecurity, real estate, and infrastructure.
The government has focused on the development of our civil infrastructure, our roads, sewage, water, and telecommunications. The options and opportunities for participating in that, these are being developed in terms of developing infrastructure funds and so forth. And so members of the diaspora would want to look out for these kinds of infrastructure fund investment opportunities.
To currency trading now, the US dollar ended the day selling for $150.55. The Canadian dollar now costs $123.42. The pound is going for $210.32, while the euro closed at $182.09. Now on to stocks. The JSE index advanced by 3,056 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 12 points. Among the winners were Portland JSX, Community and Workers of Jamaica Deferred Shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, and Palace Amusement. On the losing side were ISP Finance Services, Berger Paints, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Mayberry Jamaica Equities, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.